Hello students, this is fourth lecture. This is fourth lecture on relation and function. I can say RF. So it is a fourth lecture. So today I am discussing what is nothing but function. In the previous class I defined what is a relation and I took some examples related to relations, and we had done what is the domain of that and codomain range of relations. Now today we are defining what function is. What function? Listen to me. The chapter name itself is a relation and function. I defined relation is what? I said what is the domain and what is the range also. And now we are defining what is a function. So I will say a function is one special type of relation. Means if you want to say any relation is said to be function, we have some conditions. If that given relation satisfies some extra conditions, those relations I can call function. So here what we are saying, function is one of the special type of relation. So what is a special type? What is a condition here? The condition is, I can say in general, a relation is said to be function. A relation R, or you can say relation F, is said to be function if it has every element of the set A has one and only one image in set B. Or you can say every element of the set A has unique image in set B. So what it is, I will define now. I will define it. A relation I will say we are saying a special type of relation is a function. A relation F from a set capital A to a set capital B is said to be what? I can say is said to be function. A relation F, instead of saying R, I am denoting F because we are defining function, because it is function is also one of the special type of relation. A relation F from a set A to set B is said to be function. Condition is what? If every element of a set capital A has one and only one image in a set B. Listen to me. We are saying a relation what? F from a set A to set B is said to be function if every element of the set A has one and only one. See, this is the main thing. One and only one image in a set B is called function. A relation is said to be function means when it is function if every element of the set A has one and only one image in set B. Or you can say one and only one image. Instead of that I can say one and only one unique. So I can say that a relation F from a set A to set B is said to be function if every element of a set A has unique image in set B. Unique image in set B is same as one and only one image in set B. So means that he is asking what? Whenever every element of the set A has one and only one image, in that case I can say that it is what? A function. That particular relation will become a function. So means when I am saying if f is a function, if f is a function and a comma b belongs to f, it implies that we will say f of a is equal to b. So there in the case of relation, whenever if it is a comma b belongs to R, it implies that you can say a is related to b. Means in the case of relation we have some relation between these two elements in the case of order pair. But here whenever we are saying if f is a function and a comma b belongs to f, if this order pair belongs to f, then I can say it implies that this is f of a is equal to b. What is here? B, where b is image of a, where b is image of a. What is b? B is called, if you want you can say b is called what? Image of a, where b is called image of a, and otherwise you can say where b is called image of a under the function f, and a is called pre-image, of b under the function f. The thing is, when we are saying if f is a function and a comma b, this is one of the order pair, belongs to f, it implies that immediately you can say f of a is equal to b, where this element b is called image of a under the function f, and a is called pre-image of b. So means whenever you have the order pair, for example this is a comma b, if it is 1 comma 2 belongs to f, it implies that I can say f of 1 is equal to 2. What is 2? 2 is image of 1. 1 is what? 1 is pre-image of 2 according to this. If it is 2 comma 3 belongs to f, it implies that I said whenever order pair a comma b belongs to f means f of a is equal to b. Here which is first element? 2, means that I can say f of 2 is equal to 3. Here 3 is what? 3 is image of 2. 2 is what? Pre-image of 3. So that I am saying. Function is what? A relation f from a set A to set B is called function if every element, condition you keep in mind, every element of a set A means no element is left. Every element, if any element left without any image, that is not a function. Every element of a set A has one and only one image in a set B. If f is a function and a comma b belongs to f, it implies that f of a is equal to b, where b is image of a under the function f, I can say, and a is called pre-image of b under the function f. The function f from means here I am saying the function f from a to b is denoted by f from a to b. See the thing, this is the notation. This is the what? Notation. Whenever we are saying the function f from a set A to set B, A to B means a set A to set B is denoted by what? F, this colon, this we are saying colon. Colon can be said from, means whenever you have these dots you can say from A, this arrow mark is nothing but a 2. Means you read f colon you can say from, f from A to B. Whenever we are saying the function is defined from a set A to set B, that notation, so mathematically you can write it is like f from A to B. If any other function defined from set A to set B or any other sets, you can write it is f from A to B. This colon, these dots considered as a from, arrow mark is considered as a to. Means you can say that f from A to B means the function is defined from a set A to from a set B. This is the notation. The only the thing is, this is the definition very important. This is very, very important. This is the thing you have to understand. Means I can say this is also rule. If you want to say any relation is said to be function, what is a rule? This definition itself is a rule. What is the rule? Only rule is what? This one. If every element of a set A has one and only one image in a set B, this is the rule. Every element of a set A has one and only one image in a set B. In that case, those relations are considered as a what? Functions. This is the rule, or you can say itself, this is considered as a definition of the function. So these are the some notations. Whenever we are saying A comma B belongs to F, you can say f of A is equal to B, where B is the image of A, means when we are writing like, and then you can say A is called pre-image of B under the function. The function f from A to B is denoted by this thing. So I have given these all the things in notes also. So later you can see the notes and you can follow, or you can take screenshot of this. Okay, this is what definition of the function, and it is a notation of the function. So here when we are saying every element of the set A has one and only one image, means in the case of function, a set itself, first set itself will become a domain. What is the range? Range is here I can say image of the elements of the set A. Whatever you will get image of the elements of the set A, that will become a range. Again codomain of the function will become a second set. Okay, this is about a definition notation of the function. So I will take some diagrams. According to the diagram, we will come to know the given relation is function or not. If it is satisfying this condition, every element of the set A has one and only one image, in that case we will say those are the functions. So you copy this, after this I will remove, and then I will take some arrow diagram. According to arrow diagram, I will clear what is a function. When this rule is satisfying, in that case you can say the given relation is a function. Okay, copy this first. Listen to me. Now using this definition, what I have given, using this definition I will take some diagrams. According to the diagram you can understand the given relation is function or not. So why we are taking diagram? Using that diagram you can conclude very easily. Okay, now the thing, see, I will take some examples here. Example of the diagrams. Okay, I will take one function, a function, otherwise I can say let A and B are two sets. Let A is equal to, I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can take 5 also, extra one element, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I will take another set B is equal to, I will take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I will take one relation according to this, means relation is considered as a what I can take R is equal to this one. Now x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 1 comma x belongs to A and y belongs to B. The thing is, see, using this example I will take some diagram according to this. Even though if I am taking values you will get. So now what is R is equal to? Now the thing is, x has, I will take x is 1. X is 1 means y is what? You will get 2. 1 extra. 1 plus 1. X is 2. What is y? Y is you can say 3. X is 3. It's a 4. X is 4. It is 5. X how much I can take? Up to 5. x is 5, y is 6. X I can't take more than that because A has only up to 5 number. So this one I can keep. Is it now? This is a relation? Yes. This I got set builder to what? Roster form. Now I can take this diagrammatically. It's a A, this is a B. I will form what is one of this arrow diagram and B this. This is the set. Okay. The thing is here I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one. In this diagram, see what is the connection 1, 2 means can I say 1 is connected to 2? Yes. 2 is connected to 3. 3 is connected to 4. Yes. 4 is connected to 5. Yes, I can. 5 is connected to 6. The thing is, condition is what? Is it this is a relation? Sure, it is a given relation I took. So, what is a condition for function? We are saying any relation is said to be function if every element of the set A has one and only one image. Means two conditions here. Every element has an image and then it should be one. So I can say, if you want to say a relation F is function, a relation F is said to be function. First condition, every element, I am splitting that definition. Every element of A has image. And second one, that should be unique. That should be unique. What is unique? Unique is nothing but a one and only one. Every element of A has image, that should be unique image. Now, can I say every element of this set A has an image? Yes. Set A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Means is it 1 has image? Yes. 2 has image? Yes. 3 has image? Yes. 4. 4 has image? Yes. 5. 5 has image? Yes. 6. Don't worry about set B. We are saying what? Every element of the set A has unique image. Means every element has an image. Yes, every element has an image. Means what happening here? Here it is becoming what? Every element has image as well as every element has only one image. 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 Definitely this relation is becoming what? Yes, I can say this is a function. This is becoming what? A function. Means I can say this is what becoming? This I can say function. This relation is becoming function. So means in this case it is satisfying. Every element of the domain is satisfying. So this is one example. So I will take some general example according to diagram. Only the thing you concentrate about, every element of the set A has image or not. If it has, you check it has unique or not. Next I will take second example. Example 2, diagrammatically. Set A, set B. I will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 has, 2 has, 3 has image, 4 has image. Can you tell me this relation is a function? Can you tell me this relation is a function? The thing is, if you want to check a relation is said to be function, you check every element of the domain has unique image. Means you check two conditions. every element of A has image and that should be unique. 1 image, 2 has image. Don't worry, we will say later it has 1 image or more image. 3, first you check, is it has image or not? 3 has image, 4 has image, 5 doesn't have any image, means 5 is not connected. Means according to diagram you see, every element has image. Keep in mind, every element has image, but here every element has image here? No, 5 doesn't have any image, means I can say this is not a function. When it has image, every element has image. Second condition is what? I am checking every element has unique image. What is nothing but unique image? Unique image is nothing but every element should have only 1 image. So here it is satisfying. For that reason this is becoming what? A function. This is not function. Not function. Why it is not function? The thing is, every element of the set A does not have a image because here 5 left. 5 doesn't have any image. Okay, this is that condition. Now example third, set A, set B. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 is connector, 1 is connected, 2 this is connected, 3 is connected, 4 is connected to, I will take 10, and 5 is connected to, I will take another one, number 11. Can you tell me this relation is a function? Condition is what? When if you want to say any relation is said to be function, every element of the domain has unique image, or you can say one and only one image. First condition is what? I will check it has image or not. Every element, 1 has image, 2 has image, 3 has image, 4 has image, 5. When it has image, next condition is what? You check the given element, means having only 1 image or more than 1 image. The thing is, 1 has image, 2 has image, 3 has image, 4 has image, 5 has image. But problem is what? 1 has 2 image, 6 and 7. 1 is connected to 6 as well as 7. Means it has only 1 image or more than 1 image? Definitely you can say more than 1 image here. Because 1 has how many image here? 2 image, 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 means when one number has 2 image, that is not a function. Condition is what? Every element of the domain has unique image, or you can say 1 and only 1 image. Every element has an image. Second condition is what? It should be unique. It should be 1 and only 1, but 1 has 2 images. For that reason, it is also not a function. It is also not function. So I will take some more diagram for better understand. To understand better, still I will take some more example. This is what I took example 3. Example 4 I will take. Now A, B. This one, this one. 1, 2, 3. Here I will take 4 or 5. 1 is connected to 4, 2 is connected to 4, 3 is connected to 4. Is it this relation is a function according to this arrow diagram? Is it? Condition is what? Every element has image. You can say check every element of the domain, means every element of the first set. Means I can say here every element of the first set, means I can say 1 has image, 2 has image, 3 has image. So it has image means you check is it unique or not. Means unique is nothing but you check all the element has 1 and only 1 image or more than 1 image. 1 has 1 image, 2 has only 1 image, 3 has only 1 image. Don't worry, these all have same image. So condition is not like it may be same, it may not be same. Condition is what? Every element has unique image. Every element of the set A should have only one image. It may be same, it may not be same. Don't worry about is it same or it is not same. Only the thing is what? You check every element of the domain has image or not. If it has, you check it has only one or not. If it is same, don't worry. 1 has 4, only 1. 2 has 4, only 1. 3 has 4, no problem. 5 left, don't worry. I said every element of the domain, every element of the first set. Every element of the first set has images, and also that has only one image. So it is also what? This is considered as function. Yes, I can say this is what? Satisfying function. Yes, this is function. This is not function. This is not function. This I took right mark, that is a function. So I will take another one. Example 5 using diagram. The thing is A set A, set B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 is connected to 6, 2 is connected to 6, 3 is connected to 6, 4 is connected to 6, 5 is connected to 7. Check. What happening here? Every element of the domain has image. Yes, it has image. Don't worry about it has one or more. First you think it has image or not. Yes, it has image. Is it now? When it has image, second condition. When first condition satisfies, I will check second condition. If first condition itself fails, it is not necessary to check second condition. In that case, you can say not function. But here, 1 has image, 2 has image, 3 has image, 4 has image, 5 because every element is connected. Using arrow mark, I am connecting. So is it having 1 or not? 1 has only 6, 2 has only 6, 3 has only 6, 4 has only 6. These 4 numbers having 6 is the same image. Don't worry. It may be same, it may not be same. I am not bothering. The definition is not bothering about that. He is asking only every element of the domain has unique image or not. So the thing is 1 has image, 2 has image, 3 has image, 4 has image, and these all has only one image, that is 6. Same image, but every element has one image only. 5 has 7, no problem. 5 also has an image, and 5 also have only one image. It is function or not? Yes. This is also every element of the set A has images, and also every element has only one image. You can say 1 has 6, 2 has one number, 3 has one number, 4 has one number. This it is considered as what again? This is also function. Condition is satisfying. This is the main. This is satisfying function. So this also I can take arrow mark. Then I will take another one. Another one. Last definition. Last diagram I will say. Now, example 6. Diagrammatically A, B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A has how many elements? Only 1. B has how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means every element of A means only one element it has. I can say 1. Yes, 1. 1 has how many images here? 1 has 2, 3, 4, 5. Means what happening according to this? You can say 1 has more than one image. Means I can't say here 1 has unique image. I can't say 1 has one and only one image. Problem is what? 1 has more than one image. 2, 3, 4, 5. If it has more than one, that is not a function. So means I can say it is not a function. You can say not function. Not function. It is not satisfying. Okay. So if it is implies, what I can say, this is this mathematically I can write. These all also. F of 1 means I can say f of 1 is equal to 2. F of 1 is equal to 3. F of 1 is equal to 3. F of 1 is equal to 4. F of 1 is equal to 5. means 1 is connected to 2 only, 1 is connected to 3 only, 1 is connected to 4 only, 1 is connected to 5 only. Means the thing is, when you are saying functions that one has more connections, means I can say one has more connections, means it is not a function. One should have only unique image. So for that reason it is not satisfying. So this is considered as what? Not a function. The thing is, see the diagrams. Here 1 has 2, 2 has 3, 3 has 4, 4 has 5, 5 has 6. Means this is, I can say, function wise, if I can write, this is like f is equal to, I can write 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 6. See all the different element of the first, you can say all the different elements of the first order pairs. See all the different elements. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, everything. So no element is connected to two different. So this is a function. This is not function because this number left. So we are saying every element should have a images. When it has images, that should be unique. Here what happening? 2 images, means I can say, while writing this, I can write f is equal to what? I can write 1 has 1 comma 6, then 1 comma 7. Means while writing this, I can write still. Then you can write 2 comma 8, 3 comma 9, 4 comma 10, 5 comma 11. I will take in the examples. When first element is same, means I can say 6 or 7. Sorry, it is not 6, this is 7. When first element of the function, when first element of the relation has 2 different images, one is here, one is here, means 2 different order pairs of the first element has 2 different images. In that case, it is not a function. So 1 has 6, 1 has 7, means 1 is connected to like 6 or 7. It is not like a condition. So for that reason, understanding this diagram, you can say that which is function, which is not function. Okay, you understand diagram correctly. I said according to the conditions, or you can say according to the definition of the function. Okay, this is the some diagrammatical understanding. Now I will take some examples. So using these examples, you identify the given relation is function or not. Okay, first example, example 1. Let n be the set of natural numbers. N be the set of natural numbers, and R be the relation, on n is given by, I will take R is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x, where x comma y both belongs to the natural number. Find its domain, range and codomain. Find its domain, range and codomain, and check this relation is function or not. I can say another question, is this relation is a function. Say he is asking find its domain, range and codomain, and second case he is asking what, is this relation is a function. is this relation is a function or not? Now the thing, yes, according to that I will write. What is a set here? Natural number means I can take natural number means starting from 1, 2, 3 so on. So what is relation defined? This is R. So R can be solution case. I am not writing again, I will take this one direct. What here? X comma y is equal to 2x. X comma y both belongs to what? Natural numbers. When x comma y both belongs to natural number, I can take any value of x, any value of y that should be belongs to natural number only. Means R is equal to, I can define what? X means, can I take x is 1? X is 1 means y is 1. When x is 1, y is 2 into 1. I can say 1 comma 2. X is 2. X is 2. Y is what? 2 into 2. 4. Listen to me. X is 3. 3 into 2. 6. X is 4. 4 into 2. 4 into 2. You will get 8. X is 5. 5 into 2. 5 into 2, what it will become? So when x is 4, 8. 5 into 2 means 10. When x is 6, y is 12. X is 7, y is 14. So that I can 6, 12. So there is no condition here x, y belongs to n natural number. How many numbers I can take? So it is infinitely so many number. Better I will say dot dot means you will get like this. Close it. The thing is what? 1 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 8, 5 comma 10, 6 comma 12, 7 idra, 7 comma 14, 8 into 16, that you can say 8 comma 16, 9 comma 18, like you will get so many. The thing is what happening, what is the domain? So I said domain is always first elements of the relation. So means I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No number I am leaving. That I said dot 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 means it is not up to 6 only. I can take so many. It is not necessary to write all those. So understanding these pattern, you can follow that remaining what it will happen. So for that reason I can say, what is the domain here? Domain is, I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starting with 1 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on. But it is definitely you will get what? Itself natural number. So domain of this is what? Domain of R is equal to natural number. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can take continuously. We are not leaving any natural number. So itself is domain. What is the range? Range of this. Range of R is equal to second elements of the, I said in the previous class also, second elements of the order pair in the given relation 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, so on. What happening? I can say even number, 2 is even number. After 2, 4 is the even number. After 4, 6 is the even number. After 6, 8 is the even number. Next, 10. Next. Means can I say these are even natural number. Second elements of the order pair in this relation. Second element of the order pair in this relation is considered as what? Even natural numbers. Means what happening range? Range is a even natural numbers. Are you getting? Even natural numbers. What is codomain? Codomain I can say itself. Codomain. Codomain is the second set. Here it is defined. Codomain of R or codomain of F you can say. Codomain of R means this is relation on on set natural number means this will be subset of n cross n. Means second set itself is n. Means second set this is also natural number. Codomain of R is also natural number. He is asking another question. Is this relation is a function? Is this relation is a function? Yes or not? So if you want to say relation is a function, I will take diagram better. Natural number to natural number we are found. I have this. Okay. This I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and dot 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 so on. Because natural number means so many. Here what is given relation y is equal to 2x is the relation. This is also natural number, this is also natural. According to this 1 comma 2 means when x is 1 means y is what 2 connected. Listen to me. X is 1, y is 2. X is 2, y is 4. X is 3, y is 6. X is 4, y is 8. X is 5, it's a 10. X is 6, it's a 12. X is 7, still I can. So can I say every element of the first set has images? No problem. Every element of the set A, or you can say every element of the first set has image, because I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am leaving means it is infinitely so many. Means don't say like these are not having image. These also having image, because dot case those will connect. Means still if I am continuing this, you will get 7, 8, 9, 10 like. So here I can say every element of these will connect. Every element of these natural number will connect. Every even natural number in the case of codomain. Every even natural. 1 is connected to even number, 2 is connected to 4 even number, 3 is connected to 6, next even number 4, next even number 5, next even number 6, next even number 7, next even number means every element of this set has a images. And second condition, every element has image and every element has only one image, one has only 2. 2 directly connected with the 4 next, 3 is connected to 6, 4 is connected to 8, 5 is connected to 10, 6 is connected to, no one element is connected to 2 element of the codomain. Here every element has image and also every element is connected to only one element, means every element of the first set has unique image. Means I can say the given relation, the given relation is a function. Is a function, it is satisfying. Yes, it is becoming function. Condition is what happening? This relation is becoming function. So I can say every time if you want to say a relation is one of the special function, that is the relation is one of the special case. So special case is what? Every element of the domain has, means you can say every element of the set A has one and only one image. So here it is satisfying. Every element of the domain has one and only one image. So this given relation is a function. So I can say yes. What happening? It is becoming a function. I can't say no, because it is satisfying definition of the function. So this is the problem, how to write domain, range and a codomain, and how to identify the given relation is function or not. Now second example. So in the second example here asking, examine each of the following relations are functions or not. Means he has given here some relations. He is asking these relations are functions or not. When he is asking relations are functions or not means we have to take a condition. Means you have to follow definition of the function. According to that you can decide the given relation is function or not. Then also give reasons. If it is not a function, you give reason. If it is function, why it is function also you can mention. The thing is, now I will take one by one. First one, what is R is equal to? First one, how R is equal to what? 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2. Yes. I can say here itself means first elements are domain, means you can say first element of the order pair is domain, second elements of the order pair is considered as what? A range. Means can I say 2 has one image, 3 has one image, 4 has one image. Means I can say 2 has one image, 3 has one image, 4 has one image. Means every element of the relation is a one and only one image. Yes, I can say every element of this set, every element of the domain has a unique image. So this relation is what becoming a function, because even though you can say like, so I can say that diagrammatically also 2 first element, 3 and 4. Here 1 repeated a 2, 1 2. 2 is connected to 1, 3 is connected to 1, no problem. 4 is connected to 2. Every element of the domain has a unique image. Every element has a image, and it should be 1. 2 has only one image, 3 has only one image, 4 has only one image. Means I can say this R is a function because every element has unique image. Okay, second one. Now second one is what? R is equal to we have what number? I can say that second is a 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3. 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, and what we have 4, 4. Now the thing is, see, is it now every element of this has a unique image? So I can say that 2 has 2 image, 2 has 4 image. Means these should not be same element. When first element of the domain has same, means it has 2 images. Means I can say here 2 has with 2 and 2 has with 4. Means I can say 2 is connected to 2 image, 2 and 4. Means this R is not function. This R is not function. This R means this relation is not a function because I can say because 2 has 2 images, that is 2 has 2 images, that is 2 has image 2 and 4. 2 has 2 images. I said this R is a not function because 2 has 2 images. What are those? That is 2 has images 2 as well as 4. Means this is violating definition of the function. Means it is violating rule of the function. What is function rule? Every element of the domain has unique image. Third one, R is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. I can say 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. This is the given relation. So here every element, what is the domain? Domain is what here? Domain of this is, domain of R is what? First elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every element of the domain has unique image. 1 has 2, 2 has 3, 3 has 4, 4 has 5, 5 has 6. Means I can say this R is, this given R is function. This R is function because every element of domain has unique image. Every element of domain has unique images. Every element of the domain has unique images. This is also becoming function. Then fourth one. So fourth one you can check yourself. Fourth one what happening? 2 is connected to 1, 5 is connected to 1, 8 is connected to 1, 11 is connected to 1, 14 is connected to 1. The thing is very special. It is R is equal to 2 is connected to 1, 5 is connected to 1, 8 is connected to 1, 8 is connected to 1, 11 is connected to 1, 14 is connected to 1. The thing is same. Everything, every element of this means what happening, it is like 2 has one image, 5 has one image, 8 has one image, 11 has one image, 14 has one image. Don't worry, all have same image. I said in the case of function, don't worry about same or different. Only the thing is, you see every element of the domain has unique image. What is the domain here? 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 is the domain of the relation. Has images, and that all images are unique image. And I can say it is diagrammatically, if you are showing this one, diagrammatically I can say that like what it is, 2, 5, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. How it is like only one. This is connected like this one. I am saying this one. Okay. In this case. Are you getting? One thing. Is it 2 has one image, 5 has one image, 8 has one image, 11 has one image, 4. All has same image, don't worry. Every element of the domain, every element of the domain of R has only one image. So this is also function. In this case also, this relation is also function. This relation is also function because every element of the domain has unique image. Like that, fifth one I am giving homework. 1 is connected to 3, 1 is connected to 5, 2 is connected to 5. Is it function? 1 is connected to 3, 1 is connected to 5 means I can say 1 is connected to two different numbers 3 and 5. 1 has two images means it is not a function. So that is, you can say directly, fifth is not a function. This is the function. So this is about what is nothing but function and how to identify the function using this rule, and what is the notation of the function. I said f from a to b. A set itself, first set itself is always becoming a domain of the function, and the range is a image of the elements of the domain is range of the function. Codomain is again second set. So this is verification. You check its condition is satisfying or not. So in the next class I will take algebra of the functions and I will take some examples. Okay, thank you.